Hi friend, today I am going to present a very rare case. I am not sure about the diagnosis. It may be amniotic band sequence or it may be limb body wound complex. But anyway, I want to present this case. This is fetal limb, this is fetal skull without any skull vault and multiple thin septa are attached to it. There is an occipital encephalocele. Skull vault is absent here. This is spine, fetal brain. There is liver and heart are present outside, ectopia cardis and omphalocele as well. This is fetal brain. There is a small occipital encephalocele here. The bowel loop is floating in amniotic fluid. Liver, here is the liver, here is the gallbladder, all floating in amniotic fluid. Fetal cardiac pulsations are present. This fetus limb. There are band, the liver, here is the heart, this is the spine, kyphoscoliotic changes, this is the fetal head, this is fetal brain covered by a thin membrane, this is fetal face, this is brain, this is fetal liver, fetal gallbladder, fetus small bowel loops, and fetal heart is here outside the body. It is the heart outside. There are multiple thin septa attached to fetus and in amniotic cavity. These kyphoscoliotic changes. The spine shows kyphoscoliosis. Occipital is encephalocele small. This is the brain matter. This is brain. This is fetal head. This is liver. Multiple band extending in the amniotic cavity from here to there. This is the fetal gallbladder. Small bowel loop. These are the fetal limb. And cleft foot was also present there. The heart is pulsating outside, small spine, liver, this is the spine, placenta is posterior, the umbilical cord is somewhat small, but since it is on the placenta is on posterior side, so the possibility of a small umbilical cord cannot be ruled out. And the baby is adherent posteriorly and multiple thin septa are present here. You can see it here. This is the liver showing its vascularity. This kyphoscoliotic changes, thin small spine. These are the artery and venous signals. This is transverse section of pelvis. This is liver. Liver, small bowel, gallbladder, heart, all are floating in amniotic fluid. This is fetus liver. This is small gallbladder attached to it. Small bowel loop. This is fetal heart. This is the fetal brain, covered only by a thin membrane. The bony vault is absent, with a small encephalocele in occipital area. There are multiple strands radiating into amniotic fluid. Liver floating outside, spine, liver, heart. This is heart, present outside the body. This is gallbladder, this is liver, this is all deformed fetal abdomen and thorax. Thanks friend, this is all about this malformed fetus. Friend, I got the photograph of fetus abortus. Also, I am posting images and a small video clip here. This is the liver, small. This is the cleft lip, palate. This is the jelly-like structure attached to the fetal head. There is club foot. This is all. This is the big liver lying outside. This is small bowel loop. This is the fetal heart. This is small video here. This jelly-like structure is attached to fetal head. This is club foot. This is fetal face, cleft lip and palate. This is the liver lying outside. Thanks friend, this is all about the baby and fetus abortus. I request you to kindly subscribe my channel so that I can post my cases here and you get a notification. Thanks friend.